Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of disabling audio auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data from the Settings options. Step 5. Under the Media Auto-Download section, tap on When using mobile data. Step 6. Unmark the checkbox next to Audio. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled audio auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. Remember, this simple step can help you save your precious mobile data and prevent unwanted audio files from cluttering your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.